Alright guys, Will here for your Pro Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about the difference between a horizontal set, a superset, and circuit training. Alright, so first we have the horizontal set. Now, on the horizontal set, it's basically when you perform one exercise and perform all the sets in succession before transitioning to the next exercise. So, let's say we have exercise 1, which would be a squat. You will perform your squat, set number 1, you do 10 reps. You do set number 2, it is 12 reps. When you do set number 3, it's 15 reps. Then, when you're complete, you move on to exercise number 2. That would be a bench press. We'll do set 1 of our bench for 10 reps, do set 2 for 12, do set 3 for 15 reps. Then we would continue like this pattern using all the exercises one by one and completing each set individually before moving on to the next exercise. Next, we have a superset. Now, on a superset, you'd be completing exercise 1 and you would go back-to-back it with exercise number 2 before taking your rest and then repeating for your second and third set. So, in the superset, you would have exercise 1 being our squat. We would perform our 10 reps. Then, we would perform our second exercise of bench press for 10 reps. Take a rest right after that, so make sure there's no rest in between the two exercises. You take the rest after both exercises, and then complete your second set, take a rest, and your third set, then take a rest. Then we would move on to our next superset. Lastly, we have our circuit training. Now, circuit training is like a superset, except supersets are only 2 exercises. Circuits can consist of 3 or more exercises to be considered a circuit. You would perform each exercise in succession with each other before completing a second round of each one, and third and fourth, or however many sets you have to complete. For circuit training, you would complete exercise 1. It is a squat for 10 reps. Exercise 2, bench press for 10 reps. Then completing exercise 3, which is a bicycle crunch for 20 reps, and exercise 4, which is a plank for 30 seconds. After completing these back to back to back to back with no rest in between or minimal rest, then you would take your break. After you take your rest, then we go back for second set, doing each exercise with minimal or no rest in between, and take your rest after completing all 4 exercises. Then complete set number 3 and 4 and however many sets you have of the circuit. Hopefully that explains the difference between horizontal sets, supersets, and circuits. Hope to see you guys next week.